morning. How's everybody doing? It's a wonderful Friday. Every day's Friday when you love what you do, right? Just doing PMs. Got filters changed and dated. I always like to write this in case, you know, people are silly. AX26 belt. Got everything dusted out, connections tightened. You guys know. Amp draw, 1.8. Let me put this back on real quick. And there. Got some new washer screws in there. I like these ones from Carrier. I find them in the economizer packs. And I usually just grab them. But these ones work really good with the washers. I like it. I like it a lot. Still gotta pull out the flame sensor and clean it. Got a new little TPI meter. They warranted it for me over at York, so that's cool. Pretty excited about that. And this hole right here, when you stick your meter in here, it touches the heat exchanger. You can't really read from right here. It's not a good spot. I mean, you can, but it's not the best spot. So you want to get as low as you can. I usually try to tap a new hole as low as I can. This way you're reading past the exchanger. If you read at the top of the exchanger, you may get a false reading. So, just watching her. See what she's going to do for me. But the new meter's pretty cool, and the back of it actually clips on like that. So it's got it doesn't bend or anything, but it's cool. Still works. My first one died in like 2 days, so we'll see how long this one lasts. Blower's 2.5, I got 1.8. Return is 69.5. So, you know, just kind of going through the motions. Got all my connections tightened. You guys know how I do it. Kind of thing, everything's good. Just when I got jumped out, I just tied them together. So, but I've had this bad boy on and running about 15 minutes. So, let's see. I'm trying to see where we're going to level out at on our supply. Right now, it's at 143. Looks like 143.2, 142.8. Cool. So 143 is our number. Hope everyone's having a good day. Happy Friday, and I'll see you here in a little bit. Just cleaning out units, cleaning flame sensors, and I even got my dollar bill, y'all. Dollar bill. All right, later. I'll put a picture at the end on this one. That one I took out and I showed the dollar. This one I left the wires. So you can see I did both of them. Sweet. Filters changed and dated. Company name on them. Blower amps, 1.8. 487 volts. It's good. Everything's dusted out. Connections are tight. I put a few screws back in. You know, tighten the disconnect behind here. I like to do that. A lot of guys don't do that. Got my supply, my TPI. Got my return with my UEI. And I'm just letting it kind of equal out. This one sitting around 67.2. It's just fluctuating a little bit back and forth. This one we're at 149 on my supply. So it's been on for about 15 minutes. I like to let it run for a little bit. Take the temperature as low as you can. As low as you can. Don't take it up here. Take it down there. That's where you're going to get your best reading. They really should have something right here going through the curb with a plug that you can stick your meter in. And that'd be the best way. Actually, the best way is to go downstairs and shoot a temperature, but you know, obviously that's pretty difficult to do most of the time, you know, running back and forth, but they should have something here for me. That'd be cool, you know, but this is the best that you're going to do right here. So, alright, so it looks like we're at a 70 return, 69.5, so 69.5. Blower amps are holding good at 1.7, 1.8. That's good. Screws are nice and tight back in. So, my supply looks like it's settling out at let's see. I'll let it go for just a sec. 166. And make sure you put your screws back in those things. I got a couple screws ready to go. We gotta get one for right there. I'm really a fan of this new Malco bit. It's a 1/4 and 5/16. It's magnetic. So what you do is you can just add gloves on. It's usually a lot easier if you don't have gloves on. Oh, here's your bit. So there's your 1/4. There's your 5/16. It just goes on like that. They're freaking awesome. We just need to make extension ones on a 3/8 7/16. Come on, Malco. Where you at, bro? 3/8 7/16. That's what I'm looking for. Alright, we'll shut it down. Disconnect our wires here. Reconnect them back. Alright guys, I'll be with you in a few, see what else we can get into. Gotta get another wire nut for right there. If any of you guys are using them, they're pretty cool. There's no screw or anything. So what you do is you just take your phone and set it down in the unit. Right? And then you just, I'm gonna try to do it. Let's see if we can get on camera. Hold on. Let me untangle this. I can't see one of these wires like this. Yeah, that's working. This is all working well. Alright, here we go. So, take your wire here. Take your wire here. Alright. Make sure if it's a stranded wire, that it's nice and twisted. Right? Just, you stick that one in there like that. You take your red wire from the thermostat, and you just take it like so. And you stick him in there like that, and now you got yourself a nice connection. See? And it even gives you a test spot to test it. Winning. Look at that. People are gonna be like, what kind of fucking wire nut is that? That's right, that's convenient. That's what that is. No twisting, you just pop, pop, good to go. And clean this up a little bit. Alright, let me clean this up with the zip tie real quick.